Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hi, sanibonani. Igama lami ngu Franco waka Kleinbooi. Igama le company yethu Flourish Treats. We are based in Kwamashu. Okay, Flourish Treats waqala 2019. Actually, this is a subdivision of company ekuthiwa Flourish for Ladies. So I'm the marketing director of Flourish Treats. Flourish for Ladies in company eyenza ama events for abantu besifazane. So in 2019 we organized an event, and the owner of venue gave us a space to actually host our event there for free, and we're very grateful of that. So we wanted to thank him. We didn't want to buy expensive wine or whiskey and so forth, but then we decided to find something unique. We were shopping around, we came across this jars in particular, and then we looked around at different products and and he was so happy, he was so overwhelmed. But then me and my partner, as we left, I said to her, Yazuktin, we actually got something here that we can do. We can actually do our gifts and make this a business, you know, and that's how Flourish Treats was born from Flourish for Ladies. So we started with Flourish Treats from there, whereby we're making e-gifting affordable and sends our gifts. Flourish Treats are products that we're offering candies. I don't want to call them all sweetie. Yes, they are sweets, but they are candies. It's exclusive taste. It's a luxury taste. And these are not your ordinary sweets. They're also taller on the shelves at any store. And actually, our sweets they're imported. And then all we do, we take them, we package them, and send a gift now. So we got different kinds of sweets. We've got watermelon slices, we've got strawberry hearts here, we've got jellies here, and we play around with different combinations. So we've got hearts here and we've got chocolate raisins here. So which means then you have blasting flavors in your mouth as what are different flavors of the candies that we have. Our products, we're based in Kwamashu, but siyatholakala on the online platforms. No South Africa, you can order our product. We do courier using a courier guy, and we do overnight courier. Especially like if you book a labo sweet, for an example, they melt. So it's important to when we pack them and we courier for them to be delivered, they arrive in the shortest time as possible. So we use courier guy, and we've delivered as far as Mozambique as well. So not only to South Africa, but we also do outside of South Africa. Now, why kumele uthenge product here to Flourish Treats. So as I said, yaqala as a concept, as a gift to someone. So then we looked around, we're not the only ones struggling to find a gift for people, but there are many people out there who struggle to find a gift for abantu. So basically, it's to Flourish in every jar for Flourish Treats. Goodness is guaranteed, and the reason why you should buy Flourish Treats not only for personal consumption but as a gift for someone, it's because we make gifting affordable. So our products, as we want mahle, oswiti bethu bamnandi kakhulu, and they're very affordable. So mangabe ustressed ungazi ukuthi umuntu inozomthengela bona, just get in touch with Flourish Treats, and we will plug you. All right, so as Flourish Treats, tholakala kuma social networks. Instagram as Flourish FLO-RISH_treats. That's FLO_RISH_treats. Now go Facebook satolagara as Flourish Treats. That's one word, FLORISH treats. And number yetu 069-874-4963. 069-874-4963, and ungakwazi ungena kwi-catalog yethu ku-WhatsApp and uplace i-order yakho via WhatsApp. Online payment as well, you can do it, and we courier your product to you. Hi, my name is Franco Kleinbooi and I am a Township Entrepreneur.